Hello guys, welcome back to Proper Food. In today's episode, I'm joined in the kitchen by my good pal, Warren Phillips. Where can everyone find out about you?
So my YouTube's just Warren Phillips, and Instagram is Warren Phillips. So
easy as that. Make sure you go and check out the channel, subscribe, like, comment. But today, we're going to show you how to make the ultimate steak sandwich.
The manwich.
Okay. Let's make some caramelised onions. So the first thing we need a couple of onions. Now, what's your chopping skills like?
Well, you don't even know me.
I don't watch, bro.
Like that.
I don't watch. Right, I'm gonna
come in like that.
I'm gonna show you. Right, okay. I think we need to do the onion chop challenge. You ready?
I just thought I was coming to cook some food.
We are. We're gonna, but we'll have a bit of fun doing it. Right. Let's see. This is for you. This is what I want you to do. Okay. We get that on.
Wait, it said bird box.
Where's my knife? Ready? You ready for this? What are we saying?
I just want to know where you've tried this in your own time and thought it'd be a good idea.
Actually, the first time, but I'm a bit boring, so I'm a bit sad. So I enjoy.
See, I told you not to show people the stuff I told you. I said keep it under wraps.
Well, you taught me so well. It's your turn. Mate, come on. I want to see your skills first.
Yeah, I got it.
See your skills.
Right, what? See, this is blind.
Come on.
Right. That way, yeah.
Other way. That's it.
Right.
And then just always make sure you keep that part of the knife in contact with your finger.
Like that.
Yeah.
But so I put them so
So keep your fingers out of the way.
Like this.
Yeah. That's it, man.
Right. So.
The man's got it. Look at that!
Right. Now that's done.
Oh, damn.
Right.
I can't watch.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We got a first aid kit. Right.
Just keep your fingers out of the way.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm out.
Well, the first thing we're going to do is cook our onions down. So I've got a pan on here. We've got about medium heat.
Medium heat.
So what we need to do, a bit of oil. Okay, so a bit of oil into the pan.
Yeah.
Just get that in there.
Yeah.
And then we'll go in with our onions. So get them in there.
All of them.
Yeah, get them all in. Watch your knife there. You can take your finger off. You've already done it blindfold. You nearly took your finger off then.
Personally, how much was that?
That's just so you can't steal it.
Right.
So get those in. Onion bed.
Right, and then
That's it.
Okay.
And then we're going to cook those nice and slow for around 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
You've done this before, mate.
Uncle Ben's racing that.
Look at the tears.
Done me dirty.
Mate, that's looking good. We've got a little bit of caramelisation. Not burnt, eh? Not burnt. Warren and tears. Yeah. But what we're going to do now, we're going to add in some sugar. So there's brown sugar. So we want to get that in.
How much?
Get it all in. We want these nice sweet and sticky. So it's about a tablespoon.
About a tablespoon, guys. What to throw in?
Yeah. And then balsamic vinegar.
How much is this doing?
So about 3 tablespoons. So this is going to give us our sweet and sour onions.
How much?
3 tablespoons. Just judge. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Scientific, this cooking. Our onions are actually done now. Look at that, they're lovely and sticky, sweet, sour. That's going to be absolutely perfect. So what I'm going to get you to do now, we've got a couple of these lovely brioche rolls. Right, these are lush. So good. They're a little bit sweet. I want you,
brioche.
It's kind of a sweet dough. Okay, so they're a little bit kind of, they're really good, man. I want you to spread on a little bit of garlic butter, and we're going to toast them off in a pan. Right, so these are done now. Look at that. Beautiful, toasted. So we're just going to pop these to one side.
Yeah.
Just get these there.
Okay.
And now it's time for the steak. Well, the key to cooking a perfect steak, get a nice pan over a nice hot heat, okay?
Hot.
Yeah, you don't want lukewarm.
Right.
You don't want medium warm. So you want it hot.
Before you put anything in.
Yeah, before you put it in.
Right.
If you put oil in too soon, it's going to start to burn, right? So we want, you see that? It's almost starting to smoke a little bit there.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for, all right?
Right.
So, into the pan, good splash of oil.
Yeah.
There, it's almost sizzling
Yeah.
straight away. And then we've got our steak.
So what steak? Sirloin or?
So you can use whatever steak you like,
Yeah.
but this is Onglet. Okay,
Onglet.
you can find this in some supermarkets,
Yeah.
but you definitely find it in your butchers. Now,
Onglet.
it's quite cheap actually as well. It's quite a cheap one to use. It's nowhere near as expensive as rump, fillet,
What part is it coming
from the belly.
Oh, so that's
Okay, so you need to cook it nice and medium rare.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's
I have my medium rare anyway.
well, there you go, man. Hey, you got to taste this, man.
Perfect.
Right, so into the hot pan.
Yeah.
Right, there we go. Get that in. So our steak's cooking over a high heat. Now this is the next tip. Leave it alone.
Right, so don't first.
Don't mess with it, man.
Don't first.
Don't get your pan and start chucking it around because you think you're
like
gonna
a little-
No, just leave it because we're trying to get a little bit of crust on there, man.
A little bit of
Crust.
Right, okay.
They're nice and caramelised, so don't mess about with it too much. As soon as you start to turn it, to flip it, to shake it, you're taking heat out of the pan.
So how long would you leave it like that?
So I'm going to go maybe 2 minutes,
2 minutes.
and then I'll have a little check, and we'll see whether it's nice and golden, and it should be.
Yeah.
And then we'll turn it, and then we'll leave it again. So in the meantime, what we're going to do while this steak cooks, so I'm going to keep an eye on that.
Yeah.
I want you to make a nice little Harissa mayonnaise. Right, that's perfect. Harissa mayonnaise done, the steak's also done now as well. So, I'm just going to take them, I'm going to pop them onto a plate,
Yeah.
and these are going to need to rest 10 minutes now. Right, now a nice slice of the tomato. You've done this before.
Attention to detail.
So the tomatoes are on now.
The tomatoes.
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 Right, the steak's been rested. So it's perfect now. You can see that's that juice there. If you try to cut it too quickly, that's what comes out all on the plate. You don't want that in your sandwich. So get that onto our board.
You don't understand how excited I am to be eating this because I haven't eaten all day. I want to tell you.
Right.
I
Okay.
got fasted today, so I'm so excited.
Well, let's do this now then.
Food dance.
Right. Okay. You ready? You got the food
I'm
dance
not
going.
ready. I'm not ready yet. Right, let's have a look.
There we go. You want to slice this nice and thin.
Nice and thin. So nice thin slices.
Just makes it easier to eat.
Yeah.
Right, so it's all on you now. You've got your steak.
What I think I need
Start
to do
piling
first
it on.
is like quality control testing. So what I need to do is like test before we distribute.
That is what they call in the game perks of the job.
So
Get yourself involved, man.
I think I just need to test it before we commit to putting it in. Because once we commit,
No going back. Got the man dance going on.
you don't understand how nice this is. Oh my god. Wow.
Good? Good enough for your manwich?
That's good. So
Right, pile it on then. Let's get it on.
just get it in. Do I need to lay it or just throw it in like
I
whatever?
mean, just get in. Let's sort of just pile up so you get like a bit in every bite, you know. Look at that. Right, so on top of that, go on with some of your amazing balsamic onions
that we prepped earlier.
that you expertly cut earlier on, blindfolded.
Yeah. Right, so we should be doing more than that.
That's it. You don't need too much, it's quite strong, yeah?
Okay. Okay, so just a little.
Yeah. Just that kind of mellow, oniony, sticky, jammy.
Yeah.
And then on the top, some lamb's lettuce.
Lamb.
Lamb's lettuce. No lamb in it whatsoever though. Got a bit of greenery in there, haven't we?
Yeah, just that half a
Just
section.
pile it on. You stick that top of that bun on, and we are good to go. Look at that. Mate, just look at that.
That's how we do it.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm impressed and I'm happy because I'm about to eat, so. So should we give this a little whirl then?
Let's do it. Right.
Let's try it straight in,
You know this is going to be messy,
but that's the best
but
one.
listen,
Cheers.
cheers to that.
This tastes insane. The flavors, it's all there. That's real good. Real good.
The ultimate steak sandwich.
So thanks for watching, guys. If you could please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So until next time, Dean, thank you.
Mate, no problem.
See you later, guys.
See you soon.